How to unfollow someone on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to unfollow someone on TikTok. So if your following list is cluttered or you just want to clean things up, follow along step by step. All right, let's get started. First, open your TikTok app on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. At the top of your profile, you'll see three sections: Following, Followers, and Likes. Tap on Following. Here you'll see all the accounts you're currently following. Find the account you want to unfollow. For example, I'm following this account. To remove it, simply tap the Following button next to the name. The button will change, and just like that, you've unfollowed them. If you go back to your profile, you'll see your following count has updated. To unfollow more accounts, just repeat the same steps. Open your following list, tap Following next to any name, and you're done. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips.